Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bold text on Instagram bio. First, you'll need to go into your browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. And you're going to type in Lingo Jam. You can type in Lingo Jam bold also. You're going to see bold text generator. And you're going to tap on it. And right here, let's for example write in the text that we would like to be bold. And you can see here, it shows you it in different fonts. And I'll be using the double stick font right here. I'll simply copy it. After you have copied the text that you would like to add to your Instagram bio, you're going to go into Instagram. And you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then select Edit Profile. And then you'll select Bio. And let me paste it right here. And then if I should tap on Done in the top right hand corner. Then Done again. You can see it right there. And that's it. That's how to add bold text to your Instagram bio.